The question says you simplify this algebraic expression. So how do we do that? Solution. So let's also resolve the one in the brackets. So we do that by looking for the LCM, which is 5ab. Okay, so when we multiply this with this, we have 4 times 5 to be 20b. Okay, minus, when we divide this, we multiply this with this, we have 12a. Okay, so division is times. So this one is coming here, 3ab, and this one is coming down, 10. So here we can simplify and look for what is common. So here we can say AB and AB is out. Okay, so for this I can still factor this out with 4. So that is 4 into 5b, okay, minus 3a, okay, over 5 times 3 over 10. Okay, so here I can still say 4 and 10. 3 in 4 is 2, 2 in 10 is 5. Okay, so here I'm having here 2 times 3, which is 6, into 5b minus 3a divided by 5 times 5, 25. The question says simplify this algebraic fraction. Okay, so we have this, and we have fraction at the numerator and another fraction at the denominator. So how do we go about it? So let us start with the numerator. So we can solve this by looking for the LCM, which is 6. Okay, so 3 is 6 is 2. When you multiply 2 with this, you have 4a squared minus 6 divided by 2 is 3. When you multiply by this, you have 3ab for the numerator. So for the denominator, when we solve this, we have 4 as the LCM. Okay, so here we have 3b squared minus, okay, so when you have this, you have 4ab when you multiply this. So when I bring down this, which is the numerator, as 4a squared minus 3ab, okay, divided by 6. So I have a division line here, so I have it as division. So when I resolve this, I have this. So I have here 3b squared minus 4ab divided by 4. Okay, so since I have division, I have to reciprocate. So I have here 4a squared minus 3ab over 6 times, my 4 is coming up, 4 over 3b squared minus 4ab. So here I can simplify. I have 2 in 4 to be 2, 2 in 6 to be 3. Okay, so when I work simplify further, so for 4a squared minus 3ab, okay, I have here to do not forget. So I have 3b squared minus 4ab at the denominator as well. So for this one, I can write this as, I have here my 2 times everything I'm having here, which is 4a squared minus 3ab, okay, divided by, I have here 3, do not forget, 3 into 3b squared, which is this, minus 4ab. So when I look at what I'm having in the parentheses, I can still factor it out. Okay, I still have a to be common to them, so I can say my 2 is already here, so I have here a. Okay, a is common, so I have here 4a minus 3b for the numerator divided by, so in this case I have b to be common, so I can bring out my b, so I have a 3b. So if I want to write this in form of this, okay, I have to introduce minus. Okay, so I have here 4ab, okay, so I have a minus 3b. So when I have this, I have it in this way, so this can easily cancel this. So I have here minus 2a over 3b. Let's say simplify. Okay, so we have 18x squared minus 8 divided by 6x squared minus 11x minus 10. So how do we do this? Solution. So when we look at the numerator, we have 18x squared minus 8. So we look for the greatest common factor, okay, that we can use to factor out this. Okay, so that should be 2. So we have 2 into 9x squared minus 8, sorry, minus 4. okay, for the numerator, divided by, so when you look at this, we can factor out this as well. It's a quadratic equation here at the denominator as well, so you can factor it out. So we have 10, we have 6, that is 60, 10 times 6 60, so we can use 15 and 4, okay, so I can write this as 6x squared, okay, plus 4x minus 15x minus 10, okay, I still have it as 11x. Okay, 4 times 15 is 60. Alright, so from here now, I have 2 into bracket 9x squared minus 4 divided by, so when I use this, I have 2x to be common, so I have here 2x into, so I have here 3x, okay, plus 1, okay, which is this. So when I say 2x times 2 plus 2, sorry, okay, so minus, what I have in common here, I have here to be, I have here 5, so 5 into 3x plus 2, okay, for this. So when I simplify further, I have here 2 into 9x squared minus 4, I can still have it as, I can have that as 3x plus 2, 3x minus 2, okay, it's still the same thing, I'll have the same results. So divided by, so for this I have a 2x, okay, 2x, when you pair this with this, I have 2x minus 5, okay, I represent 1, so I have a 3x plus 2. Okay, so from here I can look for what is common, 3x plus 2, 3x plus 2, so I can take this out, okay, so what I'm having left here is 2 into 3x minus 2, everything divided by 2x minus 5. So the question says, simplify this. We have 8x squared plus 2x minus 1 divided by 4x squared minus 1. How do we go about this? Solution. So when we look at the numerator of this fraction, is a quadratic equation. So we can factorize this using the factoring method to resolve this. So how do we go about this? We have the coefficients of x squared is 8, so the constant here is minus 1, so 1 times 8 is 8. So when we say 4 and 2, we can use 4 and 2 to factor out this. So here we have 8x squared, okay, so we can say minus 2x plus 4x, okay, minus 1 for the numerator, divided by 4x squared minus 1, okay. So when we look at this, when we group it, okay, so we have here 2x, okay, 2x is common, so here we have 4x minus 1, okay, so here we have plus 1 into 4x minus 1, everything divided by 4x squared minus 1. So for the numerator, we have here 2x plus 1, okay, so we represent 1 in the bracket, that is 4x minus 1 divided by, but for this 4x squared, I can write as 2x plus 1 into 2x minus 1. How do we get that? For 4x squared, I can write this as 2x squared, okay, sorry, 2x squared, okay, simple as 2 squared x squared, so 2 squared is 4, 4x squared, which is the same thing. So when I use difference of 2 squared here with this, I will have it as 2x plus 1, okay, because I have it as 2x squared minus 1 squared in this case. So when I apply difference of 2 squared, so I have here 2x plus 1, 2x minus 1 in this case. So here I look for what is common. Okay, this can go. So I have here 4x minus 1 divided by 2x minus 1. Thank you very much.